Hey everyone, today's workout is going to be an AMRAP, as many repetitions as possible, but we're going to be following the format of an EMOM. That means we're going to be doing every minute on the minute, as many repetitions as we can, and we're going to be going for a total of 20 minutes. Within each minute, it's going to be 40 seconds, do as many reps as you can, then we're going to rest 20 seconds, then we're going to move to the next exercise and do 40 seconds, as many repetitions as we can, and then rest for 20 seconds, so on and so forth till 4 of the exercises are over, and then we're going to again do it from the top again, a total of 5 times. So that's going to be 20 minutes long. Our intended stimulus is to move at a medium pace, use a weight, scaling, or speed that allows you to move continuously for 40 seconds with no break, if possible, because we already have a programmed break of 20 seconds coming up. The score for today is going to be the total number of repetitions of all the 4 exercises over all the 5 rounds. So you're going to have a 1 total score, which will be your score for the day. Our first exercise is going to be the kettlebell swing, a hip dominant and hamstring dominant movement. There should be no pain in your lower back. There should be no using of your arms. You should be ideally swinging the weight all the way up using the drive of your hips as you push your feet into the floor, almost like you're getting up a little fast, and which is why the weight should be coming up to a face level. Next, we're going to be doing deadlifts where the weight starts off on the floor. We're going to squeeze our hips again. It's going to be a hip dominant, hamstring dominant movement. There is going to be no use of the arm and of the lower back. If there is any pain or soreness coming in your lower back, you're probably doing it wrong. So you must keep your lower back and core braced at all points of time. Make sure that your coaches can watch you while you're doing this. Third exercise, one of everyone's favorite exercise, is going to be the burpee. From a standing position, we're going to place our hands onto the floor, jump behind, make sure that you fall down onto the floor, touch your chest, and then jump back up again into full extension with a small hop at the end for the rep to count. Last but not the least, we're going to get the weight onto our shoulder. We're going to descend into a squat for our thruster, come up with speed and power, and press the weight up all the way into an overhead position with your elbows locked out, knees locked out, and hips locked out. Each of the exercises, we aren't giving you any number of reps that need to be done with either hand. You can change hands at any point of time when you feel like it. A good suggestion would be to do a whole round with your right hand, then do the next round at the same exercise with the other hand, so on and so forth. Have a great one, guys. Don't forget to upload your scores, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, before I go, I just want to mention that I think around 15 repetitions per exercise per every 40 seconds should be a good number for you to try and achieve. So you should be looking at a total of anywhere between 250 to 300 repetitions to have a good score for today.